how's it going? Today we're talking about plastic packaging. We all come across it every day. We've got our juice cartons, our laundry detergent, our spicy hummus, skincare products, and even our beers.
That's true. Plastic is pretty good. It's easily moldable, fast and cheap produce, and super durable. But
The Ellen MacArthur Foundation states that 26% of the plastic are used for packaging and just 40% of all plastic collected to be recycled. This extremely low rate of recyclable plastic and does not help a transition into a bio-based or circular economy. So instead of transitioning, perhaps we should look into a redesign the packaging industry. Bamboo is one of the most environmentally friendly alternative packaging materials. Because of its availability and versatility and longer fibers, it can be used in different types of products. Moreover, bamboo also grows in dry tropics, even on shallow degraded soils. Asia produces almost 65% on bamboo, and India has the largest bamboo resource, followed by China with 97% of bamboo flooring.
An LCA done by Imbar and Mozo evaluated the main CO2 emission components in the carbon footprint of engineered bamboo products. From this, they found that energy consumption for processing went up to 63%, international sea transport up to 25%, and local transport, or by truck, was 10%. However, when the bamboo stem is used in the country where it is harvested, the sea transport is eradicated and the cradle-to-gate carbon footprint is only 0.9 kilograms CO2 equivalent per kilogram of stem, making it the most sustainable building material possible.
Bamboo's chemical composition is similar to wood. However, bamboo has a lower content of lignin and therefore more easy to process. Bamboo has a huge potential to compete with plastic packaging and give an environmental and innovative solution that follows in line with the circular economy. Let's explore some business cases. WUR provides products for food service, retail, and not food retail. They use bamboo products which are FSC certified and compostable. Their products are strong, taste neutral, gas-proof, and waterproof, and it can withstand temperatures of up to 200 degrees Celsius. Another example of company is Method Company. Add bamboo to pulping process to create a strong pulp as a secondary package for a floor care kit and primary package for refills for that kit. Also, they develop a new and creative packaging with a mold pool for Newton running shoes. This is also to reduce extra materials from the traditional boxes of shoes.
Universal Biopack, based in Thailand, is another example which creates food packaging from bamboo. By collaborating with Bangkok University, they have devised a technology which allows waste from chopstick manufacturing to be reintroduced into the market as food packaging. Dell also uses bamboo packaging to protect electronic devices.
Besides bamboo, there are several alternatives of bio-based packaging materials. Bagasse is quite a popular raw material which comes from sugarcane pulp as a residual product. Furthermore, according to the FAO in 2010, sugarcane was cultivated on about 23.8 million hectares in more than 19 countries. The crop's abundance makes the use of its byproduct for packaging production feasible on a worldwide scale. Kiwi Greenpack is one of the companies that produce plates, cutlery, cups, among other things with a certified label.
Coconut fibers are also being developed for packaging. Once water and oil have been extracted, the coconut fiber can be used for packaging purposes. Over 7,000 tons of coconut fibers are being wasted yearly. Engfev is one of the largest companies which specializes in producing products from all sorts of natural fibers. Recently, they introduced Cocoform. It's their latest innovation using coconut fibers and is fully biodegradable. They use a hybrid combination of 60% coconut fibers and 40% natural latex for this new innovation.
Despite wood has been used for several years, there is a shift to use virgin and recyclable fibrous wood following the standards of the FSC to produce sustainable packaging. Durasens by Stora Enso company uses wood fiber biocomposite which offers the moldability of plastic and strength and sustainability of wood, resulting in a reduced CO2 footprint by up to 80%. They offer products as a food packaging from fruit, vegetables, meat, pizza boxes, and also beverage, among other types of products.
Now, just because a product is bio-based or circular, it does not mean it's more sustainable than the status quo. For example, coconut fibers need to be retted so the fibers are softened and can be extracted more easily. While the husks are soaked, the microbial fermentation process pollutes the water and releases methane gas, which contributes 28 more times than CO2 to the greenhouse effect.
Also, with all these new bio-based packaging materials, there are several certifications and logos that gives the consumer information about the origin of raw materials, composition, and how you can throw in away it correctly. Unfortunately, not all countries and companies have the same standard to label the products to lack of the international and national policies.
Despite the potential benefit for bio-based packaging, certain impediments could hamper this transition. Due to a relatively new production market, there is no accurate data in which we can affirm which alternative fiber is more sustainable. Furthermore, costs associated with technological innovation and the lack of economies of scale needs to be accounted for.
However, the total bamboo area worldwide will have to grow 40 million hectares by 2020. The total annual production capacity will be 90 million tons of bamboo material, which is significantly close of the full annual production of wood worldwide, which is 130 million tons. Bamboo goods industry was worth $25 billion in 2012 and continues to grow as one of the most sustainable packaging industry.
We hope you've enjoyed this FactPod. I'm Tom.
I'm Sandra.
See you later.